Alright, so we just got a giant rainstorm that rolled through our area probably about a couple hours ago. And we have a drainage system that is very prone to clogging. And this is what happens when it clogs up. And right now, I am fairly certain of where the trail is. Because it's that giant clear piece right there. That's supposed to be the drainage, but as you can see, it's clogged up. Also flowing across from the apartment complex over there. Yeah, so I'm going to attempt to ride my bike through this. It can either go really well or it can go really bad. I don't know. And just so you know, this is some of the worst flooding I've ever seen around here. I've seen a lot of floods that come up to the tree with the fork in it, maybe even to that tree, but yeah, nothing more than that. So I've been down here for less than a minute, and I've already been targeted by mosquitoes that live here. So I have to make this quick. I'm getting eaten alive. Alright, here goes nothing. Also what happens when there's a lot of flooding and the drainage system can't accommodate it. And I'll show you the drainage pipe right now. It is almost underwater right there. And these pine trees are usually high and dry, and they are completely soaked. Forgot to mention earlier, but we got a lot of hail in this area. I wasn't here, but my parents were, and they said that there was a lot of hail and there's still some piles left that are back at my house. Jesus, mosquitoes are awful. Alright, I'm gonna head back through now. to get across. I got across successfully both times. I just want to say right now, if any of this happens in your area, it is not a good idea to go through it if the water is moving, and even if the water's not moving, it is still a very unsafe idea, and it was probably pretty dumb of me to go through there even though the water wasn't moving. So if you live in an area that's prone to flooding and you don't know the trail well, do not do this, because it is incredibly unsafe. You could be swept away or even just injured by the water. And I've had teachers that have told me it's only 6 inches of water required to sweep a human off their feet. And I'm on a bike, so it'd probably be even less if the water had been moving. So please, do not try this at home. Alright, this is our sage. We hate it, we don't like it, but we're going to get it removed pretty soon. And I told you I'd show you the hail that has fallen down. Like I said, I wasn't here, but my parents were, and they said that a lot more has melted. There's also another little pile over here. Yep, right here. And that's about all that's left.